Bobby! Bobby! This way. Good boy. Good boy. There we go. Poor beaten up soul. At least you got your ass kicked for once.
You got there, Kirsty. Nice. Hey?
I dropped a bit of banana out when I put it down. Will you keep an eye on her so she won't boss Bobby around while it's around the cliff?
I will. Don't know, Bobs. I get your hair in it. You alright, Karis? Oh dear. Oh dear. Alright, lovely. Oh dear. She's blown it all out of her bowl.